Hey Team 10, so I'm going to try and show you kind of what I've noticed has been an issue for a lot of the kids when uploading videos into Schoology that we've taken through Screencastify and then trying to put into back into our course. So a lot of the issues that we've been having is students going to the Schoology page and seeing that the window looks like this. Okay, now some of the kids might be able to access this and then request you access to view. Now that's just going to take you're going to get 50 emails of kids trying to get access to this one folder, and it's just going to become kind of a mess. Also, if you spend all that time working on this, it just becomes, really frustrating when nothing works. So I want to try and give you like the first thing that I would recommend doing and checking to make sure that your videos are actually linking to the student accounts. Now, the first thing I would do is we'll go into our Screencastify folder on our Google Drive, and then we'll try and find the video that's not working for the kids. So notice that this is a student account. I've logged into my Schoology page, and notice how this video on the bottom is not working. So for this one, it's how to take a selective screenshot. I'm going to find that exact same video in my Google Drive here, and I'll open that up. Now, the big issue with a lot of the students is that they're not logged into their school account, and so that's a really tough thing for us to troubleshoot while we're distant, and sometimes it's even difficult, even in a classroom, to make sure that they're logged into the right account sometimes. So what we need to do is just change our settings to make sure that they are all working for anyone that has the link can view, and not just within CPS. So the way that we're going to do that is go up to the three dots up here and click on that. We're going to go to share. Now this part gets really, really confusing because there's so many different options, especially if you have your linked account. And this can be kind of overwhelming when you're trying to sort of troubleshoot in the moment. At least I know for me, it was a real pain trying to diagnose this in class. But the big thing is when we go down here, probably what you've done is in your sharing settings, it's automatically just get link for Cincinnati Public Schools accounts. Now this becomes a problem when kids are using the wrong account. So what you need to do, let me go back so you can see how that's done, is go down to where it says get link and see where it says Cincinnati Public Schools. Anyone in this group with this link can view. That means if they're logged into a parent email account or their own email account, they won't be able to see this. So what we need to do is hit change. And then this window is going to come up, and where you have this drop-down menu where it says Cincinnati Public Schools, you'll click this arrow here, and then you can go down to where it says anyone with the link. And then make sure that once you've adjusted the settings so that anybody with this link can view, then you can go ahead and hit done. Now, hopefully, when I go up to my student page here on my Schoology course, when I hit refresh, I will then have my last video there so the students can view. Okay, so I hope this helped. I know that it's been really frustrating for all of us, and the more help we can get, the better. So hopefully this helps solve any issues that you may or may not have had.